Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to unarchive apps on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, you will see app list is here. So select your archive app. After select archive app, if you want to unarchive app, click on restore and click on OK. After click on restore and OK, you will see few seconds later you will see your app is unarchived. After unarchived app, go back to home screen. So that's how you can unarchived apps on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.